Hi, my name's Brett Goods. I'm the CEO at Adventist Healthcare, and this is my opportunity just to say thank you to our philanthropists, our donors, the people that support Sydney Adventist Hospital. We've been on this location for more than 120 years, and an important part of what makes this possible for us to serve this community is people like you who make a contribution to the many significant things that happen at the hospital. Whether it's small or whether it's large, your support allows us to invest in infrastructure, in technology, and in services that we may not be able to achieve without your help. So on behalf of our staff, our leadership team, our board, I'd just like to say thank you so much for the difference that your contribution makes to people that we serve each and every day.
One of the things I've really loved about cardiology from my perspective over the years is how advancement is occurring all the time. The problem with that is it's expensive and the new technologies are often unfunded, and so we need to figure out ways, if we're going to start a new program, to provide the latest procedures to patients. And so I guess in the future we're really aiming to keep that going, keep on the leading edge of cardiology, make sure we're providing the latest treatments for our patients here so that they get all the benefits that they should be getting. And I think for the SAN, we really want to continue to be a centre of excellence for cardiology here in the country.
Nothing good happens in isolation, and I really believe that through your giving to the SanFoundation, which has been thought out and planned, that you and us together are making a great team to do some great things here in the hospital, and this project is one of those. So I want to say thank you so much for being willing to meet the need where you see it and to let the SanFoundation be part of handling that and delivering it to those places where it can make the biggest difference. So thank you so much for your support.
Look, my vision is a few things. It's seeing that we achieve the objectives that we're after in terms of the outcomes, but of course just the longevity. We know that this is a sort of model of care that can't go wrong from a patient perspective, from a family satisfaction perspective. We know it's going to reduce the stress on the nursing staff, so what I'd like to see is that we get longevity and this project continues into the foreseeable future, but also expansion of the service, because I'm sure there's going to be a growing need, very big aging population here. The rise in cases of dementia is only going to mean that we're going to have more presentations of patients with dementia. And so I'd like to see that ideally this expands into the entire ward and that we can provide a great state-of-the-art service that attracts people to this hospital for providing excellent care in dementia.
It's a real privilege to be able to look after our patients during what's often a very difficult time in their lives, and to be able to offer the extra services that we can through the generosity of donors of the foundation makes that experience much easier for us as doctors, and I'm sure for our patients' experience. So I just want to thank you, each and every one of you who've contributed to that, because you make a difference and we really do appreciate it, and I'm sure all of our patients do as well. So thank you very much.
It's such an honor to serve this community as the Managing Director of the SanFoundation. And on behalf of the entire team, I thank you for your ongoing support. We're so fortunate to be part of the SAN family, and our donors are not only generous, but also creative. At times, people like to give to the area of greatest impact, and at other times they might have a specific initiative or project in mind. We often get calls from donors that are interested in leaving a gift in their will, and no matter the form that it takes, philanthropy makes all the difference in the level of care that we're able to offer to our community. We thank you for your ongoing support. We look forward to continuing to work with you to ensure that the Sydney Adventist Hospital is at the ready with world-class care when our family, friends, or community members need it most.